Namaste Yogis.
It's Goga, kinda like yoga. 2 years in the game, 78 posters later, it is clear hip openers are the big boys or girls in yoga. From sitting ones, lunges, squats, goddesses, hamstring stretchers, including the inversions. With this foundation, I'm convinced that we are ready to take a 90-day journey towards the mother of them all. They call it Hanumasana, monkey, or as most of you know it, the splits. Enjoy the ride.
Doing crazy dreaming.
Take your left leg forward, coming into half split. You can even get a block to support this, and then start sliding your back knee towards the back. You want to get something a bit slidey or slippery, just be able to give you a bit of a move, and then try to bring your upper body at the center. So today I'm targeting to bring my calves on the floor. I'm not so worried about my hips or my groin touching the ground. Today, see whether you can bring your calf down on the ground. That's a very good stretch, especially if all these hamstring stretches we've been doing. And we're going to hold this split for about 90 seconds today. Keep flexing your front leg, just be able to activate that entire leg. And then let the torso just keep sinking the hips even lower. And you can keep bringing a micro stretch on the back leg, just be able to deepen the split. And as you see, the left calf is technically literally touching the floor at this particular point. And just stay here, breathing in and out. It's a bit intense, but stay with it. We've been working so hard for the last 75 days. What is one more? So I'm just going to pull my trouser here so that you can see. And voila, the calf is down on the ground. And then gently ease out of the posture. Oof, you switch sides. So again, you're going to bring the right leg in front of the mat. You come into half Hanuman or half split. So that already straightens that knee. And then now you use the left knee to slide it more towards the back. This morning, I think I'm very stiff because I feel like I'm struggling, especially on the right side. But the right leg is really cooperating nicely because the calf is literally just grazing over the ground. And then I can use my blocks for support, just be able to give the torso a bit of a stretch. And then keep sliding the back leg a bit towards the back. Oof, this is a lot. And then start sinking the groin even lower towards the ground. And then try to work on bringing the calf down on the ground. You can even lose the blocks, and then I'm just going to slide these blocks under my groin for them to give me a bit of support. And then voila, the calf is down on the ground. So trying to keep the torso straight above the hips, just be able to give you that bit of a weight. Oof. Or you can even loosen the block and say that you can even sink a little bit lower. And just like that, I've brought my calf down on the ground. And that is literally the mission for day number 75. So on day number 76, we'll see whether we can work on a full split. And then for the rest of the 15 days, we'll see how we can navigate and see whether we can achieve the full split by day number 90. So thank you so much, everyone, for catching the practice today. Gently ease out of the posture, give those thighs a bit of massage. Oof. And then when you're ready, come into your knees. Namaste. Bye, guys.